Welcome to Sarsa's with Ed Chunbury School. Teacher Rose, Teacher S. Green, Teacher Joanne, and Teacher Joyce welcomes you to your online lessons. Science. Learning by doing. Sound waves. Hi boys and girls, it's me again, Teacher Joanne from Kg1/1, and I will be your science teacher for today. Are you ready to do some learning by doing? Great! Let's do this. Before we begin our experiment, let's prepare the following materials. 2 paper cups. Can you repeat after me? 2 paper cups. Then we are going to use yarn. Say it again one more time. Yarn. Very good, KG1 students. Now it's time for our vocabulary. First vocabulary, sound. Repeat after me. Sound. Now let's spell the word. S-O-U-N-D. Sound. What is sound? Sound is everything that we hear with our ears. Sounds can be loud that will hurt your ears, or sounds can be soft that is nice to hear, like a music. Our second vocabulary is called sound waves. Can you repeat after me? Sound waves. Very good. Now let's spell the word. Sound. S-O-U-N-D. Sound. Waves. W-A-V-E-S. Waves. Say it again. Sound waves. Very good. What is sound waves? Sound waves is how the sound travels through air to your ears. That's correct. Sound travels through air, and it goes to your ear, and your brain will tell you what you have heard. So, before we begin our experiment, I want you to watch this short video clip on how the sounds travel, or how do they move. We're gonna watch it in this video. Are you ready? Let's go!
Today we're going to show you how to see sound. Now this is a really simple experiment and one that you can do with everyday objects around the house. What you're going to need is some cling film, hundreds and thousands, scissors, and a bowl and plate. What you need to do is get a good length of cling film and stretch it over the top of the bowl. What you're trying to do is make a sort of drum, where the cling film is the skin of the drum. And of course, just like a drum, you need to make sure that the surface of the cling film is stretched nice and tightly across the top of the bowl. When you've done that, get your hundreds and thousands, make a small indent with the tip of a finger, and sprinkle them onto the top of the cling film. And then if you try to talk directly into the cling film, you'll find that the vibrations from your voice make the hundreds and thousands dance around by themselves. If you think it's just my breath making them move, look what happens when I hum. See? And there you have it. That's how you can perform a really simple experiment of how to see sound.
Did you enjoy that video? Did you see the movements? It's because of the sound waves. Now it's time for our experiment. For step 1, we are going to make a hole under our paper cups. Make sure to ask your mom or your dad to help you poke a hole under your paper cups, just like this. Ta-da! See, as you can see, both of our cups have a hole underneath. Now, step 2, we are going to put each end of our yarn in the cup, just like this. Very good. So you're going to tie a knot to hold the yarn in place. Very good. Let's do 2 knots just to make sure it's not gonna move out of our cup. Okay, then you have to do it on the other cup as well. So let's go find the other end of our yarn. Okay, here it is. So now we're gonna put it in a hole just like what we did in the first cup. Make sure you ask for help from an adult to do this activity. So like we did to the other cup, we have to make a knot, just like this. 2 times, very good. So these are just the 2 steps that we need to do to make this project for our experiment. That's the end of our experiment. Please don't forget to send me a picture of your finished project. Like this picture. I'll be waiting for all your pictures. I'll see you again on our next lesson. Bye!